Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving the regular expression matching problem on LeetCode, which is number 10. It's rated hard, and we're going to be doing it in Java today. Now before we get into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so let's start with the result enum. It's used to represent the possible results of our subproblems. We have two options, true and false, which help us differentiate between a successful and unsuccessful match. Next, we define the solution class, or the solution class is already given, with a 2D array called memo. This array is used to store the results of subproblems to avoid redundant computations during our dynamic programming process. The isMatch method serves as an entry point for our dynamic programming algorithm. It initializes the memo array with null values and then calls the DP method with initial indices I equals 0 and j equals 0 to start solving the problem. Now let's dive into the DP method. This is where the actual dynamic programming and memoization takes place. We first check if the result for the current state, j, is already available in the memo array. If so, we return the result directly to avoid recomputation. If the result is not available in the memo array, we calculate it based on the current indices I and j. We check if j has reached the end of the pattern. If so, the result depends on whether I has also reached the end of the text. If I has reached the end of the text, it means that we've successfully matched the entire pattern with the entire text, so we return true. Otherwise, it means that there is still unmatched characters in the text, and we return false. If j has not reached the end of the pattern, we proceed with the two possibilities based on the current characters in text and pattern. The variable firstMatch helps us determine if there's a match between current characters in text and pattern. We use the char@at method to access individual characters in the strings. If there's a match, we consider two different cases. If the next character is pattern is quotation mark, we have the option to either skip the quotation mark and its preceding character in the pattern, j plus 2, or continue matching the current character in the text, I plus 1, with the same character in the pattern, j. We use recursion to explore both possibilities. If the next character in pattern is not an asterisk, it means that we have a 1-to-1 character match. In this case, we move both I and j one step forward to continue matching. After calculating the result, we store it in the memo array for future reference and then return the final result. So now let's go ahead and run it. Run it. All right. Just give it a second here. There we go. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.